In this video, we are going to see how to apply filters to your table. Let's see now one by one. If you see, I have some data given on the screen, that is the date, region, sales rep, customer, all these options. Now, there are many various ways to apply a filter. One is the shortcut method. You just keep your cursor in the data, do not select the data, and the shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+L. So, if I press Ctrl+Shift+L from my keyboard, the filter is applied. If you want to remove the filter, same method, Ctrl+Shift+L from your keyboard. If you forget the shortcut, I have a long cut for you. The long cut is keep your cursor in the data. You have to go to data tab and you can see there is a filter option. Now, when you click on filter, the filter is applied. If you don't want, you can remove the filter also. So, I'll just click on this filter, it goes away. Another shortcut is like if you don't have a mouse, what you can do is you can just keep your cursor in the data, or you can just move your cursor in your data, press Alt from your keyboard, press Alt and leave it. So, once you press Alt, if you see on the tabs, it shows H for home, N for insert. I want to go to data, so I'll press A. So, I'll press A, and after that for filter, if you want, you have to press T. So, I'll just press T, and if you see, the filter is applied. Same way, if I want to remove a filter, same method, Alt A T, and the filter goes away. So, various method can be used. Let's see now. I have purposely taken different data, that is date, text and the numbers. So, I want to just explain how this three different type of data will be affecting when you apply a filter. So, I'll use a shortcut to apply a filter is Ctrl+L, Shift+L, Ctrl+Shift+L. So, now I have kept the cursor. Now, if you just click on this top drop down for the date one, you can see you will get sorting along with that. That is sort old to new and sort newest to oldest, sort by color. So, all these options you are getting obviously with that. But along with that, if you see there is a checkbox given, the dates are ranging from 2016 to 2022. If you only want to see the dates for 2022, I'll select this 2022 and I'll click on OK. So, I'm getting the dates only for 2022. Similarly, if you don't want to use that dates, you can just clear the filter like this, clear filter from date. Similarly, if you want some other, so you can choose the options from this place. Now, if you don't like this dates and if you want to search by your own, you can just click on this search button, search text box, and you can just type here 2016 and you can just click on OK. So, once you click on OK, you will get all the dates related to 2016 itself. But now, I'll show you something advanced in this. This is today's date, 13 July 2016 and so on. Now, if I want to filter based on some criteria, let's say next week, next month, next year, so I can use an option which is available in the filter itself. So, I'll click on this drop down and you can see there's a date filter option. So, once I click on this date filter option, you can see there are loads of options available. In my calendar, today the date is 13th of July, and if I say I want to go for tomorrow, so once I click on tomorrow, you can see 14th of July 2016. So, this feature is very useful. You can use it very nicely. So, now I'll just, if I don't want, I can just go to this place, click on clear filter. Similarly, I can use it for next month, next year also. So, let's say I'll go for date filters and I'll go for this next month. So, today the month is July, the next month will be August. So, I'll click on this next month. You see the dates are for next month. And if you don't want, you can just clear filters from here like this, or the other option is you can go to the data tab and you can see this option as clear. So, the filters will be clear from here. Similarly, this was all about the dates. Same way, if you want to go for text, let's see how we can do it. I'll keep my cursor in this region column and click on this drop down. Now, if you see earlier it was oldest to newest, newest to oldest for dates, but now for the text it has become as A to Z or Z to A. So, sorting and everything will come along with that, sort by color also. Similarly, if I want to select any option, let's say I want only Midwest, so I'll select from Midwest and click on OK. If I do not like this filter, I can just click on this clear. Similarly, I want some other advanced text filters. Let's see that. In the column, if you see, I want only that text which starts with alphabet N. I have my criteria. So, I'll click on this region and I'll click on this text filters. I want only that text which starts alphabet N. So, I'll click on begins with, and you see begins with, I'll type here alphabet N and click on OK. So, you see all the regions which are starting with alphabet N are been displayed. So, you can use begins with, ends with, between, contains, all these options available like this. does not equal to, ends with, contains, does not contain, custom filter, all these options. So if you do not like, you can just click on clear filters. So that was for dates and the text. Let's see for numbers how we can go. For number filters, if you see, I have COGs and sales. Now my criteria is I want to sort the column based on the numbers. So I can just click on the sales drop down and I can say smallest to largest or largest to smallest, that is sorting. But if I want to filter, I'll just go for this number filter and I can put this options as greater than, less than, not equal to, greater than, etc. So right now I'll say I want all the numbers which are greater than $1,000. So I'll click on this option, number filters. I'll say as option as less than and I'll put here $1,000. The numbers are very large, but I'm expecting at least this answer, which is $22.15. Yeah, you see 22.15, less than all 1000 are being displayed here. So this way you can apply filters to the number also, and I'll just click on this clear filter. So I hope you're aware of this, how to create a filter and how to put filters for date, numbers and text. Let's see the last one. If I want to just copy paste the filter data to some other sheet, how we do this? Suppose I click on this region column and I want to select only Midwest region and I'll click on OK. So this Midwest region I want to copy and paste to some other sheet. How do I do this? So just keep your cursor in the data and you can just press Ctrl A, Ctrl C. So you see only filtered data. For your understanding, I'll just tell you, after 19 the row number has become as 24. The other row numbers 20, 21 till 23 are been hidden. So now when you copy this, just press Ctrl C and you can go to the other sheet, that is filter paste. I've purposely kept it blank and you can just paste it using Ctrl V. So this way you can see there's a Midwest region is displayed here. So like this you can use the filter data and create multiple sheets as per your requirement. So that's all for this video. In this video, we are going to see how to sort basically for numbers, text, dates and multi-column sorting. Also, we'll be seeing how to go for color sort. Let's see those one by one. If you see on the screen, I have some numbers, text, dates, everything. For first thing is, if you see there's time given here, which is in minutes, that is 2.5, 3.4, 4.5. Now, if I want to sort into ascending or descending order, basically if it is a number, it will go for smallest to largest. The method to sort is very easy. Now, you have to just keep your cursor in the cell in which you want to sort, that column. Next is in the home tab, on the right hand side if you see, there's sort and filter. So I'll just select here sort smallest to largest. So once I click on that smallest to largest, you can see the entire column is sorted. So no need of selecting the entire column and then sorting out. Similarly, if you see the next place, I have some currency given here, which is 2562, that is the sales done. If I want to sort in the descending order, I'll just keep my cursor in the cell in the column which I want to sort. Next is in the home tab, I'll go to sort and filter and select the same thing, sort largest to smallest. So once I click on this option, you see the entire column is sorted descending order. Similarly, there's one more example. If I have two columns and if I want to sort the second column, that is the sales done, in the descending order. If you see carefully, this is in the ascending order. I want to sort in the descending order. So what if I sort it in the descending order? Will it leave the relation with the next column? Let's see how we can do it. I have purposely colored this Rita row with this yellow color so that when I sort it, I should be able to understand whether it is leaving the relation with this column. So let's see that. I'll keep my cursor in the sales done column and I'll go to home tab, click on sort and filter, and now I'll go for descending order, that is largest to smallest. So once I click on that, if you see the 5254 currency is still with the same sales rep, that is Rita. So that it is not leaving the relation with the other column. So this way you can do it easily. No need of selecting the entire data and then going for sort. Next is I have some dates given on the screen. If you see 13 July, 14 July, 15 July, again 13, 14, 15. Now how do I sort the dates? Same way, keep your cursor in the column in which you want to sort, go to home tab and then you can go for filter and sort, and then you can select the sort oldest to newest. So once you click on oldest to newest, you can see these dates are older and the other dates are newer dates. This way you can go for one column sorting. Let's see some more advanced sorting, how it can be done. I have some data given here. If you see salesman and sales done, same data. Now I don't want with respect to the numbers, that is oldest to newest, largest to smallest, but now I want to sort the column with respect to the color. So if you see carefully on the screen, I have some blue color, red color, yellow color and green color. What if I want to get the sorting based on color wise? So that time I have to go for advanced sort. Let's see those how we can go. If you want to go for advanced sort, the method is you have to go to the data tab and you can see there's a sort button. So once you click on this sort button, you will get this dialog box. In this dialog box, you will get all the column names. If you see, the column name is salesman and sales done. So my criteria is in the sales done column. So from here, I'll select this sort by which column I want for sales done. Next is, do you want to sort based on values or do you want to sort based on some other option? So I'll say as I want to sort based on sale color. So cell color is right now, there's cell no color. So I'll select some color. I have 4 colors given here. So I want to sort it. I want yellow color on top. So once I click on OK, my column will be sorted based on the color. Yellow color will be on the top. So let's see now. Once I click on OK, so if you see yellow color is on top. Now you might be wondering why only yellow color? What about the other colors? So for other colors, you have to give the other color conditions. Let's see that. So I'll keep my cursor in this place, go to sort and add a level. So when I add a level, I'll say him, I want to do a sorting for sales done. If you see, the first preference is given for sort by sales done and then by. So then by, again, I'll say cell color. I'll select here red color on top. So after yellow color, it will go for red color. Similarly, if I add level, that is sales done based on cell color, and the cell color, that is blue, should be on top. So yellow, red and blue. Once I click on OK, you see this yellow, red and blue. These have been sorted accordingly. So that is what you call advanced sort based on color. Since this was based on cell color, similarly you can do for font color also. That is same way, no other difference in this. Let's see the next one. Now this is multi-column sorting. Right now what we have seen was only for one column sorting. Let's go for the advanced one, multi-column sorting. Right now I have some data given here, that is date, racetrack, racer, age and time. Now what is the requirement is, I want to sort times with racer column. That is the time column with racer column. That is the race column. So what should be the major sort? I'll give a first preference to racer column, second preference to this time column. So for your understanding, I have written here major sort racer. So first preference to racer. So I'll just keep my cursor in the column or in the data anywhere. So no need of selecting the entire data, and I'll just go to data tab and I'll click on this sort. Once I click on sort, and if I click on sort by, you see these are the names of the columns. So what are the names of the columns? Date, racetrack, racer, age. So my preference should go for racer because my major sort is racer. Next what I'll do is, I'll go for values, that is I'll select as A to Z. So I want this racer to be sorted ascending order. So once I click on OK, racer, again I'll click on add level. Next add level, I have to give sort times with racer column. So second is sort times. So I'll select the option here as time, and again I'll select as values as smallest to largest, and I'll click on OK. So two levels, that is first is racer and second is time. So once I click on OK, now if you see carefully, this column is sorted. I'll just take an example, that is Logan. 3 Logan have come here altogether, and the second preference was given to time. So if you see, it is sorted in the ascending order 39, 45, 50.9, right? So two columns are been sorted. First is this one and second is this one. So when there's a tie-up between this numbers or text, it will go for the second preference. I hope you are getting this point. Next one, we have a similar example, that was racer with time. That means a text with a number. Next we have text with a text. So let's see how we can go. The second criteria I have, that is sales rep with region. So this is the column of the sales rep, and the next I have something here, region. These are the two columns. So I want to sort region versus sales rep. The major preference I'll give to region. I'll keep my cursor anywhere in the data, and then I'll go to sort, data tab, sort. So in this data tab sort, I'll select the option as sort by The major sort is region, so I'll give the first preference to region and I'll select as values A to Z. So values A to Z. Second preference is been given to sales rep. I'll say as add level. So after this add level, I'll select here sales rep values A to Z. So let's see now what it happens. I'll click on OK. Now if you see carefully, it is sorted A to Z, that is M Midwest, and let's see that second one. If I have something, there are many more data here. Yeah, so after Midwest they have given us N, North. So now for the Midwest, when there is a tie-up, what is happening is, if you see here for Midwest, yeah, alphabetical order. So if you see carefully, here it is C, that is the sales rep, and again if it goes to J. So it is also sorted ascending to descending order. Same way the first column for region and second column for sales rep. So this way you can sort for multiple columns in the same data itself. That is the advanced sort. So I hope you are getting this point. That's all for this video.